Hi, I'm Tim Little, a lead generation expert specializing in B2B sales and data-driven strategies. Today, we'll explore how to locate high-quality leads and organize them for maximum efficiency. This guide is perfect for businesses looking to target niche markets and drive measurable results. Let's dive right in. Potential prospects. Specializing in data-driven strategies. The foundation of effective lead generation is knowing where to look. Let's explore the key sources for high-quality leads. B2B data providers. Platforms like ZoomInfo and Apollo.io offer detailed lists with verified emails, phone numbers, and job titles. They're ideal for targeting specific roles and industries. B2C data sources. Tools like Experian or Exact Data help segment consumers by demographics such as age, location, and buying habits. Industry-specific lead sources. For niche sectors, healthcare or education-focused providers like HealthLink Dimensions or MDR are invaluable. Local business directories. Explore your Chamber of Commerce listings or public records for local contacts. This is great for manufacturing companies by SIC and titles like purchasing or shop foreman. Social media platforms. Use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to create targeted lead lists or Facebook ads for demographic-specific consumer leads with contact name, title, industry, and phone and email addresses. Tools for data aggregation and verification. Gathering leads is only the first step. Let's ensure the data is accurate and actionable. Email verification tools. Hunter.io. Great for finding and verifying email addresses. Never bounce or zero bounce. Validate emails to minimize bounce rates. HubSpot. Use its lead scoring to prioritize high potential contacts. Web scraping tools. Python with Beautiful Soup. Automate data collection from public directories. Phantom Buster, extract contact details from social media profiles. Group leads by demographics like location, age, or industry. Use tools like Excel or Google Sheets for easy sorting. Social media platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn are invaluable for lead generation. They allow businesses to target individuals based on demographics and behaviors. These are great for targeting women or political affiliations. Let's wrap up with actionable tips for targeting niche markets. Focus on underserved areas like hyper-local businesses or emerging industries. Remember, effective lead generation is about precision and persistence. Start small, test your strategies, and scale what works. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Data aggregation and verification tools such as Hunter.io and NeverBounce ensure the accuracy of contact information. These tools help businesses maintain high deliverability rates and minimize bounce rates, crucial for effective email marketing campaigns. Exploring underutilized niches like hyperlocal lead generation and emerging markets can capture valuable traffic. These areas often have high traffic potential with low competition, offering opportunities for marketers to establish expertise and drive growth. Thank you for joining us on this journey through lead generation strategies. By focusing on specialized niches and utilizing advanced tools, you can enhance your marketing efforts and achieve significant results. Let us know how we can assist you further.